This video will demonstrate the procedure about GCR preparation and the subsequent test and inspection to validate if the actual garment is safe for attachment of order snap. First, we required vendors to send us at least 2 pieces of garment without snap attached, so that we could simulate actual attaching environment using our machines and die molds. We aim to request for actual garment submission, but in case the bulk garment are not yet finished, we accept submission of mock-up, but they should be reasonably representative of the actual construction, with garment sketch provided. Also, it is important to submit garment or mock-up with correct washing as important. Especially for denim, we always require vendor to send mock-up after wash. Here is the 1 piece of mock-up submitted, and there will be 1 snap attached at center front waist position. First, we are going to measure the fiber thickness and pinch setting. Now, we use the fiber micrometer to measure the fiber thickness. First, it's about the foundation of upper part of snap. Then we will measure the foundation of lower part of snap. After this, we will measure the pinch setting of snap attachment. To save time, we have 1 mock-up here already attached with correct slab using our machines and die mold. Now we are going to measure the pinch setting by using caliper. First, the upper part of snap. Then the lower part of snap. Then we will proceed a few tests and inspections to ensure the attachment is secure and safe. This will include 3 main parts: simulation of actual application, inspection of snap placement, and finally the pulling strength by using pulling gauge. First, we will simulate the actual usage of snap and snap action to see if there is any issue. In this case, it's hook and bar, and we will try with the lateral pulling. Then we'll inspect the snap by moving the fabric to see if there is any misplacement of the snap or snap coming off in straddling fabrication. For these 2 tests, there is no standard required by most buyers, but this could avoid any safety concern during the actual application. Finally, we will go for the direct pulling string test by using the pulling gauge. In this test, gap requires 1070 pounds, 10 seconds. We will go around 8 kg. Then 10 seconds. The attachment of upper part is good. We are now going to test for the lower part. Again, 75, 10 seconds. The attachment is good, so with all these tests, the GCR test is considered to be passed with this number. With all the data recorded in the draft and the result of tests and inspections, we could proceed to the final version of datasheet as seen like this. The only two variables are the fiber thickness and the pinch setting. The other data such as the diamond code or the item code are fixed for each specific snap ordered. With all data on datasheet, our technician can easily compare if the bulk garment produced in factories is the same as the submitted garment mockup for the GCR test. We also have a column blank on datasheet which is for our technician to check and compare if the fiber thickness of bulk garment is the same when they visit the factory. If the data is matching, our technician can set up the machine using the pinch setting data on datasheet to achieve the same condition as we did during GCR test. The attachment can then be considered secure and safe. This is the end of the GCR preparation and testing.